Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to verify Fiverr account 2025 complete Fiverr ID verification process. So first of all you have to sign in to your Fiverr account and then follow the steps I'm just showing you. So first of all, prepare for verifications. So before you begin the ID verification process, ensure you have the following ready: a computer or smartphone and your original ID. Use a physical ID such as driving license, passport, permanent residency card, ID card, residency permit or diplomatic passport. Digital or online copies are not accepted. So after that, you have to start the verification process. Log into your Fiverr account, access verification settings. Like click on the settings icon on the top right corner of the dashboard and select personal and business info and locate the verify button and click on it. And after that, take a clear photo of your ID. Ensure all information on your ID is visible and eligible, and avoid using saved images or screenshots. Enter your name accurately. Type your name exactly as it appeared on your ID. Select the correct ID type. Choose the ID type you are using from the drop down list. So people face some common issues, like if you encounter issues during verification, consider the following solutions: clear cache and cookies of your device and disable VPN. Use a different browser. If issues persist, try using a different browser. Ensure correct region selection. Make sure the region selected matches the one on your ID. And after that, retry verification if needed. If your verification attempt fails, review the account verification help center article. Ensure you understand all verifications, requirement and steps. Wait before retrying. Allow at least 6 hours before attempting verification again. Check for verification button. If you cannot find the verify button, ensure you're in the correct section under personal and business info. And they also gave some additional tips like proof of residency. Acceptable documents include utility bill, telephone bills or rental agreements. And language and name issues: if your ID is in a different language, ensure you follow any specific instructions provided by Fiverr. Camera and photo quality: ensure your face ID are clearly visible with no obstructions. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.